shelf. It's a leaning one. I don't know how sturdy this is gonna be. It feels a little like it's thin, but I don't plan on putting really heavy things on it. The reason I decided to get a shelf is because my mom wanted me to like add some plants to my room. And also because these two bad boys came in, and then we know Residence Part 2 is gonna come out, and I'm running out of space up here. I've already run out of space up here. I also want to find a place to put this. So I'm just gonna, once I open these, I'm probably gonna resort everything. Probably put like photo cards and, I don't know, mini posters up there. And then I have all this real estate to put more albums.